Today we're breaking down the Under Armour Curry 12s. Let's go. What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Zack here. Tamsters kicks. Another Curry, baby. One of my favorite basketball shoes. If you guys have seen any videos from me, I love Currys. And these are no different. The Curry 12s, Steph Curry's newest basketball shoe, is back. I'm beyond excited for these ones. I've already hooped in them. I've loved them. So I'm going to break them down today, guys. Steph Curry, basically Team USA's savior, our savior. What a man. He basically led us through the Olympics to gold. What a performance, man. But anyways, we all love Steph. We're going to break these bad boys down. If you guys haven't seen a video from me, we're going through traction, cushion, support, materials, fit, all that stuff about the shoe. We'll break it down. I'll throw some videos of the shoe as well throughout. So make sure to stick around. Let's get into it. All right, so the Curry 12s. Retail at $140. This is one of the two USA colorways that came out. I was mad. I didn't see the navy blue ones, but that's okay because the white ones are pretty clean too with the cream and like that like red and white lace. Fire. But $140. They're even like, it's so crazy because I've been on the Curry shoes for so long and it's so crazy to see the change in them because they hit their stride at like the 8s and they were like, okay, 9s came, 10s came, like they kept improving and making little tweaks, and these are like so different than like the other ones, but still have a lot of the same like tooling and technology that makes the Curry such a great shoe. Traction features the classic light and bouncy UA flow material. If you are new to Curry basketball shoes, this setup is my favorite of like all time, I swear. I love the Kobe 9s, but these ones too, like the traction and cushion is basically one unit. It is insane. It is Under Armour's flow technology. And it's crazy to see how much it's changed over the years because it used to be like super soft, and they have really gotten the materials to like a little more denser, more just less like with the ability to like break down. Like the durability is great on these, and you can see them start to continue to make improvements on it. I love it. It does take a little bit to get used to because the bite is insane, guys. Like I say every time, the first time I played in them, I'm like tripping on the court because the bite is so good, but you gotta try these out. The cushion features that same signature UA flow technology with some tweaks. So with the softness of this flow and this foam that they have in this unit, they add these like midfoot shanks, a little bit of just like a little midfoot area here to keep the torsion and everything and keep the shoe from like breaking and falling apart because of that foam. But like I mentioned a little bit with the traction, it is so like durable. Like you can really tell that the foam is like just continues to get revamped. They continue to tweak it, and I love that about it because that was my first problem with, I think I really noticed it with the 9s because that's when I really started to get into them, is that it just broke down so easy. Like this toe part just like went all the way straight down to that mesh up top. So it was like, you gotta be wary with them. I would not wear them outside at all, but like for $140, they keep that price kind of in the mid-tier, and for this setup, yeah, it is a definite cop. Materials feature a breathable mesh upper that is soft and durable. So they've kind of transitioned a little bit into this like step-in unit here with the materials, this mesh upper molding into this back heel counter unit. You have this tongue technology here, which is also a little interesting because it comes up a little bit on the ankle, but it wasn't cutting in at all, so it molds really well, I feel like. And I think it's just a little more premium. That's another thing that they've improved, is they've tightened this knit up, added kind of like a back layer to support it. And especially here, even on the medial side with the toe cap, they add this just this little hit of faux suede, like, and it feels nice. And I like the materials. They're breathable, light, airy, like there's no complaints about them. With the fit, Currys have been interesting for me because I used to be like, you can size up a half size and stay true and it fits very well. It's just kind of how you want. And now I've kind of gone back to, you should definitely stay true to size. And I think that's what the most authentic, like genuine fit you're gonna get with them is going true to size. You can feel that flow technology work well as your shoe is basically like one unit with the shoe, your foot and the shoe, one unit. But yeah, I mean, true to size is what I'd go with. So with the support, the biggest thing here and what has made a pretty big difference on the look, feel, and play of the shoe is this 3D molded heel counter they have here. You can see it here, you can see it pretty prominently stick out on this back part. It's got a lot of that support in this back area, which tends to be a spot with not even just Curry, but like smaller guards, as you want to get a little bit more ankle support and like allow your foot to kind of move and play how it should. And it does a very good job. It doesn't restrict at all. And like I said, it's kind of that play in, step in style that you can just go into the shoe. And I like it. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it at all. The support feels good. The materials keep the shoe breathable, which help you move side to side as well with the shoe, and the materials up here not restricting you. So support, pretty solid. Traction and cushion, like I mentioned, this is an elite ranking. This is the highest you can get, really, because I love it. The only shoe that I feel like has ever been close is the Kobe 9s with that beautiful pattern. And like, guys, that shoe's coming back, so I'm so excited to get those pretty soon. But yeah, it's just an elite setup. You gotta try this out. Materials and support, I definitely give them a great ranking, just because like they allow you to move so well. Like nothing restricts, nothing feels like too overdone. Like sometimes you get like them adding like super big like Achilles pads, or they do a little too much here, and like no, it's just solid. Like they just continue to make small tweaks to the Currys, and it's just a sensational shoe, really. The fit on these is good. Like it's solid. I don't have no complaints. There's no areas with dead space or anything sticking out or any weird stuff. The tongue is a great like not like thinness, but just like I just love how it feels. There's a little bit of foam padding into it that just kind of sits well in the shoe, so you're not gonna find any problems with the fit. Just stay true to size. But yeah, Under Armour Curry 12s. Let me know what you think. Comment something about Curry being the GOAT, because he just is him. I don't know, but like Curry 12s. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Maybe some new colorways coming soon, but I love the USA ones. Anyways, see you guys on the next one.